Everybody, welcome back. Listen, I know it's been a while, but as you see, I've been preparing for this beautiful bundle of joy. And I have my wife here, Sherelle, and today I want to be showing you all how to make a baby food recipe using the Baby Brezza One-Step Deluxe Food Maker. But no more talking, let's get to it. 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Me and my wife created this video of the baby food recipe that you can find on Etsy, and you can find it at Food for Winners. But hey, sit back, get some popcorn, get a drink, and please enjoy. Thank you so much. Now the great thing about the Baby Brezza One-Step Deluxe Food Maker is it's an all-in-one food processor. As shown here, you can be able to have a timer, you can be able to grind it, you can be able to also put the water in the back to be able to steam your fruit or vegetables, and it just makes it easy because you can do everything at one time in one setting, knock it out and get it done. All right, guys, so now with me making the green giant, it's time for my wife and Soraya to taste it. So baby, please do the honors. Please taste it.
We're gonna have a nice big spoonful of it. There you go, guys. Check it out. I like it.
Yeah?
I like, it's not too sweet, but it does have a subtle sweetness because of the banana. And the texture is good. I actually would recommend maybe peeling the apples first to give it a bit of a smoother texture. But baby might like this just the way it is, and maybe it's just more of an adult thing. We want it to be a little bit more smoother. But the flavor is great. It's nice and chill, so put it in the refrigerator, take it out for about 15 minutes, and you're ready to go. Feed baby, it's a good show.
So that's a good suggestion. So if y'all want it to be really, really smooth for your baby, feel free to definitely peel the Granny Smith apple and just to make sure it's smoother. If you like it, because it's still smooth, but it could be like you want it to be really smooth, feel free to do that. And I think it'll be really delicious. But thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you, my wife, for joining us today.
Thank you.
But with all that being said, we'll be back next week. I have her with me with all the food tastings. I'm gonna have her here and Soraya until 10 weeks. And then you'll probably be seeing Soraya very soon. But until then, let's keep cooking.